You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. In English, the British English pronunciation is as brawlers. Brawlers. Stress is on the first syllable. Now, the American English pronunciation is different. In the US, they usually pronounce it as brawlers. Brawlers. Brawlers or brawlers. Can you hear the difference? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.